The nuclear energy sector is on fire in mid-March 2026, with AI data centers devouring power at unprecedented rates. Projections show global data center electricity needs potentially doubling or more by 2030, pushing tech giants like Microsoft, Meta, and others into long-term nuclear power deals that lock in reliable, carbon-free baseload supply. Uranium spot prices remain elevated around $80 to $90 per pound after surging earlier in the year, hitting over $100 in January before some correction. Driven by persistent supply deficits, estimated 50 million pounds near-term, ballooning long-term, new government initiatives to rebuild domestic enrichment and strategic reserves, and global commitments to expand nuclear capacity far beyond tripling by 2050. The Nuclear Energy Summit in Paris highlighted renewed international momentum, while U.S. executive orders and DOE programs accelerate restarts, uprates, and advanced reactor deployments. Stocks in the space have seen volatility, some pulling back from peaks amid broader market pressures. But the underlying catalysts scream opportunity. Reactor life extensions, SMR progress, and exploding demand could fuel massive multi-year gains if you're positioned ahead of the curve. One Constellation Energy, CEG. Constellation Energy is the undisputed leader in U.S. nuclear generation, operating the largest fleet and emerging as the go-to partner for hyperscale tech firms desperate for 24/7 baseload power amid the AI boom. The company's transformative $16.4 billion acquisition of Calpine, finalized January 2026, has created a clean energy titan. With 60 GW total capacity, blending nuclear's reliability with natural gas's flexibility, exactly what data centers need to stay online during grid stress or peak loads. This positions Constellation as the ultimate rails builder for AI infrastructure. Landmark deals keep piling up. The 20-year PPA with Microsoft to restart 3 Mile Island's Crane Clean Energy Center, 835 megawatts dedicated to AI ops, backed by $1 billion DOE loan guarantee and $1.6 billion in upgrades, targeting 2027 online. A similar 20-year pact with Meta for the full 1.1 gigawatts output from Clinton Clean Energy Center starting 2027, averting potential closure, and a 380 MW plus agreement with CyrusOne for a Texas data center, with options pushing total commitments over 1,100 megawatts in. ERCOT. These aren't speculative bets. They're long-duration, high-margin contracts locking in revenue visibility through 2040s. CEO Joe Dominguez has emphasized that new nuclear pathways walk through Constellation, hinting at potential next-gen builds on existing sites. Amid broader utility sell-offs and bond yield pressures, the stock has seen volatility, down 7% recently after earlier highs. But analysts highlight the AI nuclear nexus as a multi-year growth driver, with projections for sustained double-digit earnings expansion. It's the stable giant turning nuclear's reliability into explosive, tech-fueled upside. 2 Cameco CCJ. Cameco dominates as the world's premier uranium producer and fuel cycle player, with high-grade Canadian mines Cigar Lake, McArthur River/Key Lake, and Westinghouse stakes giving it unmatched leverage to the tightening fuel market. The big March 2026 headline: a blockbuster 9-year uranium supply agreement with India's Department of Atomic Energy, delivering nearly 22 million pounds of U3O8 starting 2027 on market-related terms, valued at $2.6 billion CAD, $1.9 billion USD, signed during a high-profile visit. This deal bolsters India's ambitious push toward 100 gigawatts nuclear capacity by 2047 and underscores Cameco's global contracting strength amid supply worries. U.S. utilities still heavily reliant on foreign sources, with domestic production at historic lows. Cameco's 230 million pounds under long-term contracts provide massive revenue visibility, while its disciplined production strategy, exceeding recent guidance, positions it to capture higher prices as secondary supplies thin. Analysts call it a cornerstone for the nuclear build-out, with moderate buy ratings and targets reflecting bullish uranium repricing potential. Geopolitical risks, Kazakhstan exposure, Russian import bans linger, but the company's North American focus and tech interest in secure fuel make it a pure-play winner in this renaissance. 3. BWX Technologies BWXT. BWXT operates at the heart of nuclear infrastructure, supplying critical components, fuel, and engineering for naval propulsion, government programs, and commercial/advanced reactors, earning it the nickname Picks and Shovels Provider. Its massive backlog, $7.3 billion, up sharply, stems from landmark awards like $2.6 billion in naval reactor contracts, supporting Virginia/Columbia-class subs and Ford-class carriers over 6 to 8 years, and a $1.5 billion NNSA deal for domestic uranium enrichment centrifuges via the new Oak Ridge facility opened in 2026 to rebuild sovereign capabilities. Commercial momentum is surging too. Partnerships like the detailed design contract in Mao with Rolls-Royce SMR for steam generators, plus TRISO fuel production ramp-up for next-gen reactors and Project Pele microreactor progress. With 80% government-related business offering stability, BWXT benefits from defense priorities and the broader SMR/commercial push. Analysts praise its multi-year visibility in a sector craving reliable suppliers, positioning it as a lower volatility way to play nuclear's expansion, especially as AI demand drives more infrastructure builds. 4. NuScale Power SMR. NuScale leads the SMR revolution with its scalable, factory-built modules, 77 MW each, ideal for data centers, industrial sites, or remote grids, holding the only U.S. NRC standard design approvals for 50 MW in 2023, upgraded to 77 MW in 2025. In the U.S., a major TVA/ENTRA1 agreement eyes up to 6 gigawatts across 7 states, online 2032 plus, the largest SMR deployment program on record. Ongoing collaborations, e.g. Oak Ridge National Lab on AI-guided fuel management, and advanced discussions with potential customers keep the pipeline alive. Challenges persist. Stock down nearly 20% YTD, $11-12 range, off 2025 highs, amid execution timelines, cost scrutiny, and lingering class action noise. But analysts see massive upside if first commercial orders convert MOUs into binding deals, especially as AI triples regional power needs. It's a high-conviction speculative play on disruptive, flexible nuclear tech fitting perfectly into distributed AI infrastructure. These 4, Constellation Energy, Cameco, BWX Technologies, and NuScale Power, span generation, fuel, components, and innovation, capturing every layer of the nuclear megatrend fueled by AI urgency, policy tailwinds, and supply realities. The momentum feels unstoppable, but volatility is part of the game. Always research risks like regulatory delays or commodity swings. If this nuclear surge has you fired up, smash like, subscribe for ongoing updates, and comment below.